Hey everybody, it's Barry here with Southern RV, and behind me I've got a brand new Zinger. It's a 298FB. It's a front bath model. It just showed up. Now we've done some detailed walkthroughs of this particular RV before, but today I noticed something about it that I hadn't noticed in the past and thought it would be a great time to show you guys this cool little detail. Stick around, we will show you the full camper and do a full walkthrough, but there's one thing about it that we wanted to point out right up front. Let's do it. This RV is when I was looking at it on the outside, I was like, hey, this has two doors on it. The one that's on the left here, it goes up into the bedroom, and our one on the right is going to go up into the living room. Now this RV only has one slide. So what's so great about that, you might ask? Well, if we go in, as you can see, we've got the slide closed. And what I want you to notice is that everything in this RV is completely accessible. That means that you can get to the refrigerator. It means you can get to the sink, the oven, the stove. And I'm going to spin around here. And you can see that the couch directly across from the entertainment center is directly accessible as well. As a matter of fact, in this main living space, I think the only thing that you really couldn't get into easily is right down here. There's a cabinet that's blocked by the door, but quick trick, you could just lift this cushion and notice there's a hole right here. You can lift this board and get into that space. So literally everything in this RV is accessible with the slide closed, including the big bathroom up front, which is immediately accessible through the door. That's pretty cool if you ask me. The back bedroom, of course, you would have to go outside to get into it. But again, still completely accessible with the RV shut down. So if you're traveling down the road and need access to components of some variety, that's going to be an easy, quick fix with this particular model. Let's open it up and take a look at it completely open on the inside. I'm going to swing back up to the front here. When we come through the door, our control panel is directly on the right here. And our slide button's right here. So if we hold that down, you'll see our slide room start to extend. It'll take just a second here, but it'll be all completely opened up and feel a lot more spacious inside. And there we go. It's completely open. Now we have a lot of space in here. There's about 4 or 5 feet between the couch and the entertainment center. You can really see the kitchen pretty well now. Notice that we've got our fireplace down low. Picking up a little bit of glare there, sorry. Entertainment system with a sound bar. A wonderful 12-volt fridge. It's very large. Decently equipped kitchen. The glass panel tops that are on the stove really extend the countertops for you there. They open up to reveal a 3-burner. And then there's that bedroom that we approached from the outside. It does have storage up under the bed as well as on both sides of it. This table will drop down and form yet another bed. It's a nice large U-shaped dinette. And of course the couch is a jackknife. The jackknife sofa is nice if you ever have a small guest. They can sleep on it. It'll lay out kind of flat. And one thing I didn't mention before that's kind of neat is right up front, as soon as we come through the door on the left, there's a decent sized patio, or excuse me, not patio, but a closet there for all of your sundries. You can keep all sorts of good stuff in there. And One thing I don't think I mentioned before is in this bathroom, we have washer-dryer hookups. So that's pretty cool as well. I really like this floor plan. It has a lot of space for such a small footprint. And it feels very residential in a lot of ways for a Zinger. That's a nice large shower that we have there as well. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed some of the features that we hadn't covered before. Be on the lookout for more things just like this in the future. Check us out at southernrv.com. Follow us on Facebook. We're also on YouTube. Until next time, happy RVing.